మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, మిత్రునాం. Welcome to South Asia Maps, your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. Apart from the livelihood related professional work in biotechnology, molecular biology, and bioinformatics, this is my passion. That is since 4.5 decades, knowing about Mother Bharat and Bhumata. At South Asia Maps, I have developed this channel for you and wanted to share your knowledge and hope this will be very beneficial to you. I will bring diverse fields of knowledge, human ecology and Indology in the picturesque iconographic form for you to learn and enjoy. Mitranam, we are looking at our Uttaranchal series, Uttarakhand series, which is a province used to be previously part of Uttar Pradesh or United Province of Agra and Ayodhya, that is Awadh region. We are looking at part 27, Bhabar and Tarai Physiographic region. After this presentation, you will get a good clarity of Shivalik's mountains, Bhabar, Bhabar, gravelly region, and marshy Tarai region, and then the physiographic form, and I will also show the different versions of the physiographic map so that the ideas will be very clear for you. Mitranam, this is our Uttaranchal series. We are in part 27. That is the Bhabar. It is spelled like differently, Bhabar or Bhabar Tarai Tarai region. And this part we are talking today. All these presentations you can find at South Asia Maps JRD. This video is made 2024 September. There are around about 619 or so videos, and I have binned them, partitioned them into appropriate playlists. Each playlist has 10, 15, or 20 or so diverse fields of knowledge. You can pick and choose the choice of your interest. South Asia Maps JRD. Mitra, now we are looking at the physiographic regions. Physiographic region is the physical geography, how the land terrain is related to the physical nature of the land, that is the rivers, ocean bodies, gorges, mountains, hills, ranges, when compared to simple political or administrative geography. You see here that doesn't throw that much. If you see this, you will get a deeper understanding. That's what we are trying to understand today. And long back, I have posted a overview video on all the 27 or so physiographic regions of Uttaranchal region. You can look at that to get a broader perspective or bird's eye view. This particular presentation will be looking at any deeper aspects of the Bhabar region and Tarai region, that is southern part of Shivalik ranges, which are also called outer Himalayan ranges. Most of this information is present from Regional Geography RL Singh, and I have made certain modifications and redrawn the map so that these things will be clear to you. Yeah, this is the Tarai region. It's essentially the same map. So these are this reddish or pinkish one is the Shivalik mountains. That means if you say Ganga Maidan is Delhi is around about 250 meters. That's the Ganga Maidan. Prayag Tirtharaj will be much lower, and all those areas much lower, Malda and downstream. But The Shivaliks will be the outer Himalayas around about 300, 350 meters to around about 1500 meters. And then we'll have the Himachal, middle Himalayas, then the greater Himalayas are called Himadri regions, the Trans Himalaya. So south of Shivaliks is a 10-15 kilometers the gravelly region that is called Bhabhar. Small rivers they disappear in the Bhabhar, again re-emerge in the Tarai region. That is again 15-20 kilometers. Much of Tarai is also in Uttar Pradesh, sorry, Nepal region, and downstream in the eastern side they are called Dwar regions or gateways, Julpaiguri Dwar, Alipur Dwars, and Kamrup Dwars and Goalpara Dwars in the Assam Brahmaputra Valley. So it's a different names, the Tarai region. So this is the one we are looking at. Let me go over briefly about this. The Bhabhar is the dry gravelly region. South of is the marshy Tarai region. All are below the Sivaliks. So the boundaries are of course Sivaliks in the boundary. Ganga Maidan is the southern boundary. You can see the landmarks are Kumon, Garhwal, all the border towns like Dehradun, actually in the valley, Haridwar and Kotdwar regions, Haldwani, Rishikesh, and Ramnagar and Tanakpur. These are the landmarks of the region. All the districts and tehsils, I will show you the map, you'll get a broader idea. That means they're mostly parts of Roorkee. Now is in the Hardwar district, Lakshar and Vikas Nagar in Dehradun, Dehradun DD, Rishikesh and Kotdwar in the Udham Singh Nagar district, Ramnagar and Kaladungi and Haldwani and Purnagiri. That's actually in the Champavat region, Pitogar district, now Champavat district. South was political boundaries lines the leaders draw doesn't the nature has irreverent to that. So Bijnor district, Moradabad district, Rampur districts, Philibit and all those areas also have the Tarai and parts of Baba, that is Nazibabad, Nagina, Sherkot and Dampur, Thakurdwara, Tanda, Suar and Bilashpur and Baheri, Philbit and Puranpur and those areas. You can see this, if you say the Himalaya mountains, I have put it here. This is the outer Himalayas or Shivaliks, 300 to 1500 meters. Anything above up to 4500 meters is middle Himalayas. Middle Himalayas, sometimes called middle Himalayas, inner Himalayas, lower Himalayas. You remember middle, you get all the words there. Lower Himalayas are not Shivaliks. Shivaliks are outer Himalayas. In order to avoid confusion, you call the Shivaliks, that is much easier. This is the greater Himalaya. Simla hill station is 22 meters above mean sea level, that is in the middle Himalaya. If you double the height, it will give 44. From onwards, you get the greater Himalaya. So that is a broader, you can remember. So Himalayas, we have the Bhabar region, the Tarai region, and these Chos and Kandi Pimont region, they are essentially Babai Tarai type of region. They are called in certain other parts, Himachal Pradesh and East Punjab, like that. Further south, you get Maidan, the Dwab region. So I covered that elsewhere. You can look at that. Again, you have to remember the landmarks. So this is the Yamuna, this is the Ganga, this is the Shivaliks, all this is the Bhabar-Terai region. Bhabar-Terai region until so far. So this is the Yamuna river, the Ganga river, and this is the Ramganga river, and this is the Ramganga river here. This is the Kosi river, the Kicha river, Gaula river, then here Dioha Nadi river, and this is the Sarda Kali Mahakali river. So this all this southern part. And so the rivers they emerge and cut Hardwar region. So this is the so because this is Shivalik, this is also a type of Bhabar and Tarai, but it's more conspicuous. So it's called dunes. They are called valleys. So the southern part, you can see the Behat actually in the Shahranpur region. You can see that Haridwar, this is all the Tarai and the Bhabar region. You can see the Malin river here that goes to the Nazibabad area. This is the Co River. So the town, the Kotdwar is here, the railway terminus. This is the Jim Corbett National Park, means this is the western Ramganga river, that is simply sometimes called Ramganga river. And Ramnagar means this the Kosi river. You can see the Kashipur near. Kashipur means Kosi river. You can see one. And this is the Kicha river, or the this is the Kicha river or Gaula river. All comes from the this is all Terai Babar region. If you remember, entire Udham Singh Nagar is the Terai Babar region, agriculturally very rich area. So you can see the Jaspur, Kashipur, Kicha, Katima, and Lal Kuwa, Pantnagar, all this area there. See the Sitarganj and so it goes to the up to Tanakpur area. That's also in the Champavat region of Pitogar area. This is all the Babar and Tarai region. You can see here very easily. Remember, this is the Dehradun Valley, Yamuna Nagar. Also, this is the Shivalik region. So you can see that up to 350 meters to 1500 meters also. South of Shivalik, a lot of rivers you see, they all emerge from the Babar in the Tarai region. This is the Babar Tarai region. This is the Dehradun. Babar. You can see the Kashipur town here. This is a very big town, Udham Singh Nagar. And this is the Dioha river here. So this is further in the Ganga Maidan. That is the Ramganga river. That means the Moradabad, the Rampur towns you can hear. This is the Haldwani Kashipur Kicha Gavla river you can hear. So Dioha river here. That means, so you can see the height here. You can see 183 meters. And the Tarai region will be little more 240 meters. This is the Tarai region, Haldwani. So sometimes here 271, 300 meters. So on. This is the region. This is the Kali river. And again we are doing the same thing. And this is the Dehradun area, Dehradun town, Shahranpur. I think this is the Roorkee, Nazibabad, because the code, sorry, this is the Nazibabad. The Roorkee, I think the Roorkee junction will be, Laksar junction, I think Roorkee will be somewhere here, Laksar junction to Haridwar. So this is the Jim Corbett National Park. This is the Haldwani region, you can see. Sir, this is the Haldwani region. This is the Kosi, the Kaship, Ramnagar, Kosi river. So the Haldwani region, this is the Tanakpur region. So we can see the same region here. I will show you the so that you have saw this one. When you go to railway terminus, I will show you the railway terminus. Same map. So why railway terminus? When the British start building the railway lines, they ended there. Means this is the physical geographical region. You see, we have the Shahjahanpur here and Philibet and Bilaspur, and the railway terminal ends Katima to Tanakpur because this is the where the Shiva lakes and the Tarai and Bhabhar region start. So Philibet to this one, Katima to Tanakpur region. You start Bareilly to Baheri and Kicha, the Lal Kuwa junction there. There is a junction, Lal Kuwa junction. That finally railway terminus ends in the Haldwani Katgodam. This is again the Bhabar-Terai region. So Lal Kuwa is actual Tarai. You can see the Pantnagar Agriculture University, established around about 1961, is one of the top agricultural center in Asia itself. Also, the airport is there that serves almost eastern part. Western part there is railway airport near Dehradun area. Also, our point is this is the Tarai Babar regions. So again, you can see the railway line from Moradabad to and it goes to Kashipur. Kashipur, remember that Kosi river, Kashipur Roshki river, Ramnagar. You can see This is the Garja town. This is the Ramnagar. So railway terminus ends in the Ramnagar. Jim Corbett National Park. This is all Tarai Baba, and this is actually in the Bijnor district. Yeah, Bijnor district will be there. Yeah, Bijnor district. Nazina Nazibabad. You see, from the Nazibabad railway station, you can go to Kotdwara. That is the actually in the Pauri Garhwal region. Again, that is the railway head. That is the south of Shivalik's Bhabar-Terai region. Malin River here. Of course, this is the Haridwar the Ganga Mata River. Laksar railway junction. Roorkee will be somewhere here. Yeah, you can see the Roorkee here. The Shahranpur. So this is the Yamuna rivers. You saw the fascinating view of that Shivalik's mountains, and south of it, around about 10 kilometers or so, Bhabar gravelly dry region. Further south, marshy wet Tarai region. Before partition independence, Tarai was essentially jungly area. Lot of immigrants, refugees came after ethnic cleansing west of the Radcliffe Line, and people are settled here. So now this mostly urbanized, and everywhere you will see the large human population. That's called taking over of the land by human beings for their own benefit from their competitors, flora and fauna. That is plants and animals. I covered that extensively in the human ecology. You can look in that playlist. Hope this will put you Metronome in the proper perspective of the fascinating Tarai Babar region of Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand, formerly part of United Provinces of Agra and Awadh. And if you like these presentations, you can post your comments or any criticisms or suggestions, and even you can bring it to the notice of your friends and share the knowledge, and even you can consider subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.